Hi guys, I'm trying something a little different. I was contacted by Ice Yarns about possibly doing a unboxing, and I said sure, and I picked a couple of yarn. I picked something called Modal Yarn because I never heard about it and I wasn't sure what it was, and I looked it up and it says Modal is a type of yarn which is mixed with a silky of fiber. It is derived from beech trees. The Modal yarn is semi-synthetic in nature. It says Modal is 50% more absorbent than cotton. It says micropores inside the fabric absorb many water or sweat they come into contact with. It's durable, very strong because of the tight weave of the long fibers, and is therefore used for garments and housewares that receive regular use. Well, that's kind of cool. So I picked a couple of colors. I really hope they look as pretty as they did in the picture. They're variegated. Yep, there's both of them. Awesome. They really have this cool texture to it. Oh, it looks like there's a bag or something in here. Oh, that's cool. Nice. Well, thank you, Ice Yarns. That's awesome. Oh, cool. I don't know if y'all can see that really well. That is really cool. Kind of feels like a sticker or something. So this is the first one. It's like a mix of blue and brown. Looks really cool. It doesn't look the same on camera. Maybe when I get it out of the reflective. And this is the other. It's blue and peach kind of color. Oh, cool. They gave me 6. I don't know what I'm going to do with this because I didn't know what kind of yarn this was. I wonder what it feels like. Huh. It kind of has like kind of like hairs. Can you see the hairs that stick up on the, it's kind of like it has wool in it. This is, it says 74% modal and 26% wool. So I guess that's why it has that fuzzy bit. It does feel really strong, and the ply of the yarn is really thin. Each one of these has, oh, it says 50 grams, which is 1.76 ounces per ball, and it's 150 meters or 164 yards per ball. Wow. So let me open this one, see if I can show you the color on it a little bit better. Wow, I wouldn't mind having something made out of this. This is really cool colors. They say it's more absorbent. And you could probably make a, you know, I don't know, a hat would definitely be great if it was absorbent, if you sweat it or something, but also maybe wash rags or something like that, if it's absorbent like that. I would be curious to make one and try it. If I do, I'll let you know. So this one is called Roma Brown Baby Blue. If you want to find out how to get this yarn, you can find the link down below this video. And this one here is called Roma Light Salmon Baby Blue. And you can also find the link down below to find out how you can get this yarn. They have a lot of different colors though. I would definitely recommend checking it out. It looks like it has quite a bit of color changes in here too. I'm really curious how this stuff is going to work out.